Hi, kiddos! Today we're gonna learn the alphabet! Let's go! A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cake. D. D is for duck. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for heart. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for key. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for moon. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pig. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for robot. S. S is for sun. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yarn. Z. Z is for zebra. Today. Train. Ship. submarine. You're watching Kiddos Learn TV. Shape Factory. Hi, kiddos. Let's sit and play with shapes in Kiddos Shape Factory. Let's help Robotic Arm put the shape in their proper spot. Can you do it? Ready! Let's sort the shapes, kiddos. Heart. That's correct. Next one is square. Square. Nice. The next one is circle. Uh-oh, wrong one. That's correct. Circle. Good job. Next one is star. Star. Very good. The next one is rectangle. Rectangle. Well done. Next one is diamond. Oh no! Wrong one. That's correct. Good job. Next one is triangle. Triangle. Well done. Next one is oval. Oval. Good job. Next one is octagon. Octagon. Very good. Now you know the shapes. Let's do that again. Triangle, star, square, rectangle, oval, octagon, heart, diamond, circle. Now you know the shapes. Make sure to practice, kiddos. Thank you for helping our robotic arm with the shapes in our Kiddos Shape Factory. See you again in the next video.
Hi, kiddos. Are you ready to learn the numbers? Here we go. 1 ball. 2 1 2 2 balloons. 3 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 fish. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stars. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 butterflies. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cupcakes. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 birds. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 cookies. So good. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 hearts. I love you. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 music notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you know the numbers. Counting is so much fun. Make sure you practice. See you soon.
Hey kids and parents, please click subscribe for more learning and fun videos. Please click one of these videos for more learning and fun.